Hello everyone, how everything going? In this tutorial we're gonna be going over exceptions. Before we go over exceptions, I'm gonna try to give you an example so you can see. It's basically really not that hard at all. Just say if you give your kid your card to go in the store, right? And you say try to use, but you don't know if no money on your card or not. So you tell your kid, you say try to use my card. If no money ain't on my card, you gonna throw an error. Okay, you said that's just an exception. All exception is try to do this. If an error happen, catch it and let me know all the try catch. And it gotta try to do this, and then it gotta catch block. If an error happen, catch it and let me know what's going on. Well, you got error handling and you got exception handling. I'm talking about exception handling. So let's get into it and let's see if you can understand it. So in the last tutorial we went over subclasses and we went over classes and interfaces. If you like, you can go check them out. But if you kind of got understanding with the sections, we're gonna go through it real quick. So let's say, okay, I had built we made a class, employee class. Now let's say we want, instead of us putting the employee name in, we gonna ask the employee what's his name. So we gonna say scanner. System data. And we're gonna say okay, so we're gonna ask the user, what is your first name? We're gonna say what is your first name? Then so we ask the user, what is your first name? Then the user give us his first name. Then we're gonna say, just copy and paste this. Last name right here. What is your last name? Now we got that, so copy it and paste it again. We're gonna say, what is your age? Change this to next. So let's change this to first name. Change this to last name. We'll change this to age, right? So we ask the user, we say, what is your first name, what is your last name, and what is your age. So you always want to wrap it in a try catch. So we say try. Come on over here. Put a catch. So basically, we say okay. We said try and get the user information. If something happened, let us know what's going on. So we say we run this. Now we're gonna say my age. Right. So the program ran fine, right? The program ran fine, everything ran fine. Everything ran fine. So now let's do it over. Let's do it over now. And it said, what is your name? Java expecting an integer to come in this right here where we asking what is your age. So we just gonna put in the string, right? We just gonna put in the string. You said it gave an error. It said an error happened. Java utility input mismatch exception. You're back at the landing page. So basically, that's all. That's all Java. That's all Java. I mean, that's all the try catch exception is. You catching the error, and whatever error happened, you learn how to react. Whatever you put in this right here, this finally block. It's gonna run. It's gonna. That's what's gonna run when it's finally happen. It don't care if an error don't happen. So now let's put it in right now. Let's put it in. And everything happened. And put it in. That finally block gonna run regardless. So basically, only thing a try catch is you try whatever and you'll try catch the error. Whatever, if an error do happen, then what to do after that error happened. So basically, that's all. That's all the tries. That's all the exception handling is. They also error handling. And we're gonna go talk about error handling in another video. But this exception handling, basically that's all it is. Pretty simple. See you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're gonna be going over generics. So see you in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot for clicking on the video. See you in the next tutorial.